Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to my shop. I am standing here with a pile of square tubing because I'm going to be building a gate for my neighbor. One is going to be a man gate. They're both about 4 feet wide and about 5.5 feet tall. One's going to be a man gate, and the other one I'm going to build is going to be just like a panel, a fence panel. So yeah, we just finished our saw yesterday. We finished fixing it up for this project. We're going to be cutting up some tubing and putting it together and building a couple gates.
Take it real soon. You know we got what you need, baby. So take it, move along. I said we got what you need, honey. Come and groove along. Come on. Rolling on the highway, you know. Wow. Come on, and move along. Come on, said babe. I said babe. Oh honey, come and move along. You gotta feel it, yeah. You gotta move along. You gotta feel it.
All right, there it is. I need to go to the store and get some metal to make tabs on the sides in order to hang the gate. But other than that, that's all we can do right now until we get our roller dies, because we have a piece right here that's gonna go, it's gonna be like a hoop or like a little sliver of a moon here that goes like that, and then the other, what, 1, 2, 3, 4 of these long ones have to follow that. So I can't make these yet until I make that piece, because I want it all to be nicely evenly spaced as it goes down. But as you can see, those bottom ones are done, and yeah, we're getting pretty close to being done with this one. So I'm gonna go get that metal from the store. We're gonna weld those tabs on the side, and then we're waiting for the die. But we're gonna start on the other gate, which is actually an actual opening gate. It's gonna have a handle on everything, so it's gonna be a little bit more complicated, but not much. Upgrading our tubing roller last night, and we are ready to roll some tubing this morning. So we have to make an arch that goes across the top of this gate here. So it's got to have about a 45 inch, this is what I'm going to use to measure across, and then the arch needs to raise up from here 12 inches. So we're gonna roll the tube through there, and we're gonna keep checking it, and we're gonna hold this up in there until we get a spot in it that has a 12-inch raise, and it's, you know, from edge to edge as long as this bar. So let's load our tube up. Here's our piece of tubing. It is 1 by 2. We're gonna go ahead and keep this in here if we have enough room. Please. Okay. Tight enough on our dies, so let's crank our die down. And then go from there. It's gonna be interesting. I'm not sure if I have enough room in this garage to roll this all at once. Alright, so there's our start. Ooh, you know what we need? We need some lube. Let's go ahead and lube this up. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna start by turning this quarter, half a turn. Let's see what happens. Start rolling. So you guys are seeing how that works. I'm gonna put you on time lapse. This is gonna take me a little while. Alright, here's where we ended up to get our arch that we want. So now that I have this template across here, all I need to do is mark this. And then give this thing a cut. There we go, 1 down, 1 to go. Next one should go a little bit smoother since we did this one, but we also have to turn it into a door. So let's see how that goes. Both gates are done. This is our stationary gate. It's got the tabs on the side for mounting. This one, we're waiting on the hinges, and which are gonna go on this side, and the handle, which is gonna go on this side. And that's gonna be on another episode. So once we get our handle and our hinges, we're going to take these over to my neighbors, and we gotta weld them in place. Like, we gotta weld the hinges up, we gotta drill holes for the handle, we gotta do all kinds of stuff. I got these little tabs to weld onto his posts for mounting this gate up. So the next episode that you see on these gates, we will set up a little mobile welding setup, and we'll bring these over to my neighbors, and we'll get them set in place and weld it up, and then they're gonna have to come back off to go get powder coated. And we'll show that all to you in the next video, but that's gonna be, a few weeks from now probably. So stay tuned for that if you wanna see these things in place. Thank you guys for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.
Feel the sunny days caress our skin.